Today, for the 669th edition, the Schueberfouer on the Glacier in Luxembourg City offers its visitors a colourful programme. There are rides for everybody, big and small, fast and slow, on the ground or high in the air, supplying adrenaline levels to match. With the warm temperatures, thousands of people already wandered through the alleyways in what is considered to be the largest fair of its kind in the greater region. Of course, visitors also come for the candy floss, the fried fish and the gingerbread. The fair's culinary specialities should not be missed, but the abundance of choice makes decisions difficult. The Schueberfouer challenges the economic crisis, but it may be just what the people need in these uncertain times. The entertainers and merchants are quite satisfied with the turnout. The first days were profitable, Sunday was a little bit harder, but we will know by the end of the fair, and it's what we make at the end of the fair that counts. Public money has changed during the past few years, and with the financial crisis, we will try to get by the best we can. And the fair is always very enjoyable. Anyway, it's an attractive event. I don't think I'll spend more or less money than previous years. My budget has not changed with the financial crisis. We come once a year in general with the family and with the 2 children, and we don't really have a budget. We spend what we feel like, and it's generally not much. Now I work, it's my money, so I pay more attention. The great atmosphere and the hustle and bustle on the glacis runs until the 9th of September.